How to stitch a French knot. Bring your thread up on your cloth where you want your French knot to be sewn, and make sure that the working thread and your needle are pointing in the same direction. This is very important. Wind your thread twice around your needle. Put the needle back in where it came out, and then gently slip the knot close to the surface of the cloth. And pull your needle through. I'll do one more. So bring your needle up where you want your knot to be. Make sure the working thread and your needle are pointing in the same direction. Wrap your thread twice around it. Put your needle back into the fabric. Slip the knot down. And pull through. There we are.